Welcome to Mindfulness Flow, day 303 of the 365 Days Meditation Challenge. Today's meditation is called Light Rising, a moment to awaken your inner brightness and let your energy lift gently like the morning sun. Let's begin by taking a deep breath in and exhale slowly. Feel your chest open as the breath moves through you. With each inhale, imagine light filling your body, warm, golden, alive. And with each exhale, release any heaviness holding you down. Let the light rise within you. See it expand from your heart to your shoulders, to your mind, and to your spirit. You are glowing, renewed, and strong. Now, say to yourself, my light rises from within. I am guided by clarity and warmth, and I shine without fear. Let this golden light fill every cell, gentle, radiant, full of life. When you're ready, bring your awareness back to the present moment and carry this calm glow with you through your day. Thank you for joining me on Mindfulness Flow. I'll see you tomorrow for another day of inner peace.